everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creation. Today is Easter, so happy Easter. And today is our last Easter sewing sew Sundays. So let's get started with the video. Okay, so today we are going to be upcycling, decorating some kitchen tiles, and I purchased these from Dollar Tree. Pot holders from Dollar Tree, and I also just have this one tile here that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and we're going to be cutting up our Easter tile and we're going to be decorating these two here. So the first step is to cut your tile in half. Okay, so I have cut my tile in half, and as you can see, it does fray a bit, but that's okay, because what I've done off camera is I folded my fabric over about 1/2 of an inch and I created a straight stitch going all the way down. Okay, so create your straight stitch and you'll be perfectly fine. So the first thing we're going to do as far as attaching our tile to our pot holders is lining up our fabric with the pot holder. So our pot holder measures, let's see, this is about six inches in width here. As you can see, this is way more than 6 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the lines that were already indicated on the tile, and I'm going to pinch it and push it forward on both sides. I'm going to do the other side, pinch it and pull it forward. Now as you can see, it's getting a little bit smaller and it's getting a little bit closer to our 6 inches for our pot holder. So just continue to manipulate your tile, move your pieces over as far as you need them to move, and then you can place your pot holder on top and then see if the measurements and everything is aligned properly. So this is how we're looking so far. Now I'm going to place my tile on top, and it lines up perfectly. Now I have my 6 inches in width for my tile, and I am now the next step is to pin my tile down. Sorry. Now I'm going to pin it using my pins, so when I go to the sewing machine, it does not shift. Okay, so I'm going to pin everything down while it's still underneath the tile to make sure the measurements are even. Still going to make sure I hold it on top. Just keep pinning. Okay. So now everything has been pinned down and everything is aligned. Now we have our fabric 6 inches in width. So now we can attach it to our pot holder. When attaching to our pot holder, we're just going to use the seam that was already created. Okay, so now we're here at the sewing machine. You're going to place your fabric pieces right underneath the needle. As I stated, I'm going to use this line right here, and I'm going to sew on top of it. Okay, so we're going to create a straight stitch going forward. And then we're going to make sure that we backstitch. And we're going to continue until we get all the way to the end. Okay, so here's the finished product, and you should have something that looks like this. And now we're going to start our second project. So you're going to take your towel. You're going to sandwich these two pieces together, like so, and you're going to make a straight stitch going all the way down. So now you can place your fabric underneath your needle, and you're going to create a straight stitch going all the way down here. Okay, so once you have turned your fabric right side out, you will have something that looks like this with the seam on the back, and this is the front. So now you're going to line up your two pieces together like so, and it's even because the measurements are the same as far as the width. And now you're going to create a stitch going all the way around, creating the top stitch. Okay, so now we're at the sewing machine and I have placed my fabric down underneath my presser foot. I'm going to use this line right here to stitch on top of. So we're going to forward stitch first, of course, and then you're going to back stitch, and you're going to continue all the way around. Okay, so once you have completed your stitching, you will have something that looks like this. And here is the completed project. So we completed both of these projects using all items that was purchased from Dollar Tree. I hope that you all like it. I hope that you all give it a try. If you do, don't forget to tag me. And if you have any comments, do not forget to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.